So let's check. Mic check. 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 Bida-bida. Bida-bida siya, guys.
Kaya ito yung open. Open na to.
No.
Anong indication na open na siya?
Wait lang. Ay. Yan.
So hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, magluto kami ni Ken. Challenge of
no.
food challenge.
We're not gonna cook. No, we're not going to cook. Nahulog.
So yon,
Ang pangit, no?
magluluto kami.
No, we're not. We're
So
not.
yun.
I don't know.
Tatay lang namin tong bagong microphone ni Ken Jude.
It's not bago.
So
No, it's not bago.
Hello! Ma! Hello! Ayun na, wala sa akin. Hello! Guys, niloloko na lang. Kala ko, nagtago na ako.
We're not gonna
So yun
cook.
guys,
I'm
na-open
just
namin
gonna
yung
promote
kalan.
something.
So next namin bubuksan ay yung
Ay,
saucepan.
Yung ano mo.
Mamaya na.
Ngayon na dito.
Yung ano mo muna.
Ngayon muna.
So may lalipat kaming isa dito kinuha ni Ken.
What?
So yun guys, done trying the microphone. We will check if maganda ba yung quality ng microphone na nabili ni Ken Jude. So kukunin ko kasi ito sa kanya. Ay! Yun.
Told
yun
you,
lang.
it's
Bye-bye.
going to just record it. Maganda pag sa
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, magluluto kami ng Bicol Express. So for today's
Hindi nga tayo magluluto.
Ano nga gawin?
Magpo-promote lang.
Ay, magka-promote pala kami ng Bicol Express.
Market.
So magluto kami kung paano gawin yung sili lang. Kasi sili lang. So guys, ito na po yung ingredients namin, sili. So kasama to sa vlog ko. Sili.
So I'm going to make
We
a video.
have...
Marketing video for my one major subject. Hey! Ay, pawis.
Pawis ako. Kadiri ka, be. Kadiri, be.
Let's check.
Sa kaming green sili and red na labuyo. So, yan.
Binuksan ko.
And isang
okay, ba
saging
pag
na saba.
nakabukas? Kasi dito lang ako sa gilid kasi
Yun guys, magkakaroon kami ng taste test challenge. Magkakaroon kami ng video challenge.
Di nga!
Uy, maganda mag-vlog dito ba ng challenge. So, what's in my Shopee delivery?
Sige nga.
Mamaya mag-unboxing tayo ng aking
Dito.
Shopee delivery. So, yun yung mga dadalhin namin sa Friday para sa Batangas. So, yun lang.
Sinabi ko kay Jigger, kinalang ko siya kasi.
Ano?
It's better.
Pwede pala yun, guys.
It's better than the pizza.
So, game. Mag-vlog ka na.
Ganun dyan. Sure.
Hi, guys. Welcome ulit.
Ganun, kuha may ingredients.
Medyo magulo yung floors namin. So, nanood kami ngayon ng Secretary Kim. And iba-vlog namin si Papa mamaya. Nakitin lang. Pero magulo yung bahay namin. Maglinis mamaya si Ken ng bahay. Magwawalis siya and magmamap.
No, I'm not.
Yun.
I'm gonna clean my room, not a house.
So, we have Coco Mama.
Kirker, mama.
Sibuyas.
Kirker, mama.
Bawang. And the siles.
Siles! Ba't ganun? So, yeah! May pag ganun.
Hello everyone, my name is Ken Jude and I am an international hospitality management student with a passion for culinary arts and cultural heritage. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a beloved delicacy from the Philippines, especially from the beautiful region of Bicol.
From the beautiful region of Bicol.
The mouth-watering
Bicol Express.
Bicol Express is a dish that's perfectly done.
Nagpapapansin sa camera.
Please.
Sabi na. Sabi na. Sabi na eh.
Naks.
Oh, di ba? May magpapapansin. Pangit.
Ganda ka na, Jacob. Kumusta ka, Jay? Hello, everyone.
No.
Hello everyone, my name is RJ Daguman and I am an international hospitality management
Pangit magsalita.
with a passion for culinary arts and
Hindi.
cultural
Bye.
heritage. Today, I am excited to introduce you to a beloved delicacy of the Philippines. Here, specifically from the beautiful region of Bicol, the mouth-watering Bicol Express. Okay? So, here is Bicol Express. It's a dish that is perfectly captures the essence of Bicolano cuisine. It's a harmonious blend of tender pork simmered in rich, creamy coconut milk. Okay. And infused with the pure kick of chili peppers, the savory, spicy dish not only
Makasim yun eh. Makasim yun.
tastes buds but also provides numerous health
Numerous?
benefits like this. Okay?
Okay.
Kailangan mo yan. Walo.
Pagdating natin, pagdating natin.
Dito niya ha. Walain mo na naman yan. Walang tubig.
Up in a sticker, up in a sticker. Hey, sa puso ko'y nagugutot.
Damn. Nasty na nasty girl. Ganyan. Pangit. R E A K F R E A K A K A K A K. So I don't know what I'm gonna do to my project because it's so exhausting and it's so gulo and I don't know how to start. So change plan. I'm gonna voice over na lang. No, yung bagong kanta ni Sabrina. Please, please, please. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego is another. I beg you don't embarrass me, motherfucker. Oh. Please, please, please. Please, please, please. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego. We're crying. Miss, can I interview you? Miss?
No!
Miss, can I interview you? Miss! Miss! I'm gonna interview you to ano. Lato-lato. Lato-lato, di ba?
Bale, baon namin to pag nagbatangas. Kasi wala akong budget pang Next po, itong Choco Finger Sticks. Ayan. Next, itong Tango Coffee Cream na sandwich para siyang cream oat. Para sa gatas, no. Tapos, full chips na, pangbaon. Corn chips. Corn balls. Ano yun? Chicharon na vinegar flavor. And last but not least, ito, isang tikman. Mga nabili ko from Shopee na in-unbox ko today. Pagkatapos natin baka buksan pa po ni Ken. Baka kainin ni Ken. Oh no! Oh no! Ng box pero konti. So, thank you for watching!